Good afternoon, geographers. I'm coming to you live from Mary Trumbo Park here in Rockville, Maryland, not too far from where I live. And it's an absolutely gorgeous day. Couldn't be a better summer day, especially for August. No humidity and just partly cloudy and beautiful. So I wanted to tell you today a little bit about where I've traveled so that you can get some context on the breadth of experience that I have in terms of where I've been and maybe where I've yet to go. So there's too many places to list. I think it's about 50 or so. It really depends on how you want to classify having been there. That's a very heated debate in the travel community. But really for me, it's personal and it's specific to what I consider a certain kind of experience when I travel. So with that in mind, I will be talking more detailed about most of the places that I've been in future episodes, but just kind of running through a few places that I've been. In North America, I've been quite a few places in the US, maybe about 40 to 45 states. Canada, a few of the provinces there. Mexico, a few places in the Caribbean. About 5 different places in the Caribbean, a couple countries in Central America, about 3 countries in South America, and then Europe, not as much Western Europe, more Eastern Europe and Central Europe. I've been to the Baltic countries, I've been to Poland and Hungary and Austria and Germany and places like that. I've been to Portugal, but I've not been to France or Ireland or Belgium yet. I have been to England. Then going east, I've been to Russia a couple times, and I was in Central Asia for Peace Corps, of course, so Uzbekistan, and then I traveled back there, so I went to some of the neighboring Stan countries. I've also traveled extensively throughout Southeast Asia, so that's probably my biggest trip. That was an 8-month trip back in 99 to 2000, so quite some time ago. Probably about 12 countries there. And then we went to Australia in 2013, and this December we're going to go to Tahiti. And so that's pretty much the globe. Africa, I went to 3 places in Africa, so still a lot of places to go in my opinion that I haven't been to. Haven't been to New Zealand, haven't been to a lot of places in the Middle East. I did go to Jordan, haven't been to anywhere else. Western Europe, still a lot of places I haven't been to. So it's a big world out there. So this is running long, so I'm just gonna preface this by saying stay tuned for more, and I'll talk in detail about some of the experiences that I had in all those places. And this is over the past 25 years that I've done all this travel. So hopefully I'll double or triple or quadruple that number in the future. All right, have a good afternoon, and we'll catch you later. Bye.